What up, y'all? It's Alexis, back at you again. All right, in this video real quick, kind of an impromptu video, we're gonna go over routing the Kong to individual mix channels. All right, now I'll put the video in the description up here, in the description, and also up here. It was a comment I got on this video. I was creating a reason template. That's when I was getting all fancy with my videography and all that, but now I have no time for that. So this gentleman wanted to know if I can do that because I reroute my redrums and I reroute the redrum and the oomph drum sequencer, and I route each individual channel into its own mix channel. And he was wondering if you could do that with the Kong. So we're gonna do that now, and then hopefully I'll link this video and I'll re-comment on his comment, and hopefully he'll get it. But usually people don't reply back, so it is what it is. Real quick side note, I might have some kind of alcohol beverage in here. It's a way of my wife not knowing. She thinks I'm drinking water. And I'm drinking alcohol. I'm not an alky, bro. This is just beer. All right, so let's get into it. And okay, bye. All right, so I'm gonna try not to edit this video so much. So I'm gonna try to not do ums and ahs and oohs. So let's just go ahead and reverse engineer what I have right now. Right now I have a redrum, and if you notice, there is no mix channel to this redrum. There is no mix channel. There is no mix channel called a redrum on my mix channel here. There's no mix channel called redrum. So what I did was I just took a redrum and I held shift. If you hold shift, it doesn't route to anything. You notice? It doesn't route to anything. So that's what I did up there. You can look at that. What the heck? I have an echo. Hold on. Sorry about that. You can look at that video that I pointed to in the beginning of this tutorial. And then I just basically took each out and created a mix channel. And I just named it redrum channel 1, redrum channel 2. And I named it that way because I don't know what I was going to put in there. If I was going to put a kick, a snare, a hat. So I just generically just named it redrum channel 1, 2, and so on and so forth, etc. He wants to know if you can do this with the Kong, and we're going to go ahead and do that right now. So I'm going to go ahead and delete all these over here so we have a blank slate. Just because. And we're going to go ahead and take the instruments. We're going to go to Kong right here. We're going to go to Kong right here. We're going to go to Kong. What's the first one? I'm such an idiot. And we're going to hold shift, y'all. Let's go over here. Hold shift, and it creates the Kong patch. All right, so it's empty right now. Now, if you hit the tab button and you notice, you see out channel 3 through 16. Well, you guessed it. That's exactly what we're going to do, my friends. We're going to go to your utilities and drag in. There's my kids playing piano underneath downstairs. So now I have to close the door. I'll take the mix channel and just drag a mix channel in and create. I don't think it's 16. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the problem. You can only do 7. That's why I use a redrum. You're gonna create 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me close the door. My kids are loud. Sorry, I'm trying to make this where I don't have to edit this video because I have to cook dinner still. Anyway, look, I made this really nice fancy keychain. It's called the Stout keychain. Really, really strong. Has a D-ring and a trigger snap. Anyway, SophiaLeather.com. SophiaLeather.com. Link in description. Anyway, so I created 7. And all we're going to do here, tab, you're going to take your out 3 and 4 and put them into mix channel. It'll automatically route. It says Kong 3 or 4. Then you take your 5, 6 and put on the input. Then so on and so forth. It's really simple. You hit K. If you hit the K button, you highlight something, hit K. Well, it's not working. Never mind what I said. Why isn't it working? Hold on. Show cables for selected devices. Oh, it's because the whole Kong is selected. Anyway, we're moving on here. We're not wasting time. I don't want to edit. Okay, I'm too lazy right now. So here's the problem with the Kong. All right. When you do this, you can only get 7 tracks. See, Kong 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you can only get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 versus a redrum you can get 10. Same thing with the oomph. You can get 8. So, I mean, not a big deal. Whatever. Kong has some stuff that, you know, is pretty cool. So how do you route this out? That's the next question, right? So let's say your drum sample 1. You're going to go into show drum and effects and see where it says drum output on the bottom down here. You want to, the master effects, where it says master effects, that is literally, let me hide this. You can't see it, but it's where it says main audio out. That is the master effects. And if you want, you can follow this chain here. It kind of tells you what's going on. But the master effects is his main audio out. You could use that, but what you do is for Kong drum number 1, you would route the drum output to output 3 and 4. Right? And that's 3 and 4 going into Kong 3 and 4. And then pad 2, whatever the heck you want it to do. 5 and 6. Pad 3, 7 and 8. Pad 4, 9 and 10. Pad 5, and so on and so forth. 11 and 12. Pad 6, 13 and 14. Pad 7, 15 and 16. Let's see what that looks like. Yep, it's all routed. Now let's go ahead and just initialize this patch. And let's see, let's load up a, why did it do that? I hate that. You see, sometimes it does this. It goes right to my desktop. Dang. So let's go to here. Let's go to factory sounds. Let's go to Kong. Where you at though? On the reels. I don't know. Let's go deep house. All right. So look, if I hit pad 1, nothing happens because I'm an idiot. Oh crap. Never mind. If you load up a patch, it'll get rid of the stuff you just routed. So don't do that. You're gonna have to load up a patch and then, wow, that sucks though. That does suck, man. That's weird. I usually use these redrums and everything as, you know, as a sample player. So let's just drag some kicks. Kick there. A snare. I guess I can't just drag a folder. I'm an idiot. Oh my gosh. I am all over the place. That's the beer. Perk. I'm just gonna drag different sounds here because I don't have time for this. I'm just dragging different stuff. Okay, so I have my Akai MPK 249, which has the pads here, and I'm gonna hit pad 1. You'll see it, and you'll see it right here on the Kong 3 and 4 coming out. What in the F? Oh, I hit Control Z. I can't believe that just happened to me. I gotta redo this. You see what just happened? Now I wonder if that's the problem. If it does that automatically. Every time you put a sample in, does it automatically route to master? Let's find out together, y'all. Let's find out together, y'all. First, let me see. Okay, here we go. Pad 2, pad 3, pad 4. And you see them playing respectively. Okay, so what if I change a sample? Let's say number 1. Will it change back to master FX? Let's find out. Oh, you see that? How it changed to master effects? I knew I wasn't going crazy. Oh, so every time you change the sample, it reroutes back out. So there you go. That's another reason why I don't use it. But if you guys found this useful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. You guys got to like and comment below. That's going to help. I guess the last 2 days I got like an uptick in subscribers, maybe 20, which is a lot. And I think it has a lot to do with people staying home and just kind of just surfing the internet, which is cool. That being said, if there's anything you want me to go over in Reason specifically, let me know and then I'll do it whenever time permits. Super busy, full-time fireman, full-time leathersmith. This is my hobby. So if there's anything I can help you guys out with, let me know in the comments below, and then I'll make a little video whenever I have a chance. The other thing is, if you guys have noticed, I make tons of music that's really unfinished, and it's really hard to find artists. I have a pretty good ear. You know, my music is different. I know not a lot of people like it, but I don't care. I love doing it. If you guys hear one of my tracks and want to submit a vocal and you feel like you could finish the song, let me know, dude. Send me a comment or something, or DM me on my Instagram, which I don't really use that much, but I know that I get a DM because it's tied to my leather account. Anyway, DM me and let me know, like, dude, I could finish that track for you. Let me put a verse in there or something. And then you can send me the verse and then I'll film me putting it together and then whatever, just for funsies. You know, who cares? This is fun. Anyways, talk to you guys later. Oh, I forgot to do this. This is how it's supposed to be the outro. I'm stupid. Let me hide that. Anyways, yeah, so, yeah. Okay, all right, I gotta go. That's all I got for you. Bye, Felicia.